So today I'm going to be putting together our kindergarten math bin, and I will be featuring the Good and the Beautiful Math K curriculum. So here I'm just unboxing the activity box and briefly going through just to see what needs to be prepped. First, I'm going to punch out the pattern blocks included in the box, and these are a heavy cardboard material. Also included in the box are several plastic bags pre-labeled with stickers to go ahead and store all the manipulatives included in the activity box. There are inchworm manipulatives, bees, garden, and then of course the pattern blocks. Moving on to prepping the My Place value chart booklet. This is laminated and spiral bound, and it is to cover place values in hundreds, tens, and ones. Also included in the activity box are various flashcards. So here I am just folding them at the crease and pulling them apart. There are number digit flashcards that will be used for several lessons in the curriculum books. One of the lessons would be sorting even and odd. There are also 10 frame flashcards and 3D shape flashcards. I am still unsure if I will be laminating all the flashcards, so for now I am just storing them in these plastic bags that I had in my pantry. Also in the box are several 10 frame mats, and these are a glossy laminated cardstock. I went ahead and marked off a few lessons in the books part 1 and 2 so that I can show you just how much you will be using the contents of the activity box, in case you're wondering if it is worth it. In my opinion, it is a good value. From briefly going through the books, I can already tell that in just about every lesson we will be using the My Calendar and the My Place value chart booklet. Here is one of the many lessons in the book where you will be using the shape pattern blocks, and these are also to be paired with the shape pattern block mats. They are glossy laminated cardstock, double-sided, and there are plenty included in the box. These are beautiful. To the left side of the book, there is a lesson on block towers, and for this lesson you will be using the wooden cubes, and I will show those in a clip later on in the video. And moving on to the right side of the book, here is a lesson where you will be putting to use those 10 frame mats along with several of the manipulatives that are included in the activity box. This lesson here is an intro to 3D shapes and to be paired with the 3D shape flashcards. And lastly, a brief look into 2 lessons using 2 more of the items included in the activity box: an abacus and a container of toothpicks. Now putting together our math bin, and this bin sits on top of our shelf along with other curriculum bins, and these I purchased at Sam's Club. I like these bins because they're large. They do hold a lot. There is no lid to fuss with, and there are also these mesh pockets on the insides here to hold just smaller odds and ends. And here is the bag of wooden cubes or blocks, which I mentioned earlier in the video. I'm also adding in a few of our favorite manipulatives or items to use for math. So we are including a calculator, a ruler, a sand timer, and none of these are included in the activity box. Like I said, these are our items. Also coins, which are Bella's favorite, along with buttons and these learning resources 3-bear family counters. So I will wrap up this video with showing you an overview of where our math bin lives, and it's up here on our shelf along with our other curriculum or subject bins. So I hope that this was helpful to you in one way or another and that you did enjoy the video. And if you did, please give us a thumbs up, and as always, thank you so much for showing us your love.